What's poppin', guys? It's me, Jessica Torres from This is Jessica Torres, and today I am here to take full control of Stephanie's life. Well, at least just for fashion and beauty. This week, I'm going to be dressing her. So let's start with day number 1. This day is all about comfort while still maintaining chic. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep you in an athleisure type of look. So I want you to wear your shiny plus size Fashion Nova pants, classic white t-shirt, any distressed type of style that you might have, and a long coat to kind of pull it all together to keep it chic and not sloppy. Some cool round sunglasses will make this look, you know, a little bit more chicer, and definitely keep your hair in a high, messy bun.
So I think I nailed the hair and makeup portion of this. A messy bun on point, black lips, although it's not too true of a black. It's a new lipstick that I'm trying, so I'm not too impressed with the opacity of this shade. I was expecting a more rich black. Anyways, this is the black lip I have, so we're going to make it work. Neutral makeup, pretty simple. What I do like about this makeup is that it was really fast to do and I feel comfortable in it. I feel like I can run around the day and sweat in it and be fine. Okay, so I just finished getting dressed and here is the full outfit. I'm wearing some black Nikes, these fitted pants from Fashion Nova, this distressed tee that I think is from Forever 21, and this old black jacket that I have. So from head to toe right now, I actually feel really comfortable. I feel like it's all laid back, but put together.
Make you go even more out there. We're gonna keep your boobs hidden, but we're gonna be showing the belly a little bit more. So day 2 is all about the crop top. A cool crop top, some really cool culottes, a cool fanny pack, and a bomb-ass beret because I like berets.
So another day and another outfit by Jessica Torres. So today I am wearing the fanny pack with my first pair of culottes, white boots, this crop top that's muscle mesh, so it's pretty light and thin, which is great for like the warm weather, and a beret, my first beret in a really long time. I haven't worn a beret since like, I don't know, middle school, so this feels a bit funny. These are pieces that I would have never put together. This is definitely, I feel like, Jessica's style, but I am loving it. I'm actually loving the crop top and the culottes. I love how they look together.
You're going to call in your inner Selena and have your hair in waves, kind of like these soft curly waves that Selena used to have, but then half of it is going to be up and then just fluff it up a lot. Now I'm going to have you wear some comfortable boyfriend jeans, white sneakers, any kind, a cool fanny pack. I think it'll just be such a cool outfit. People will be like, she looks like she's chilling, but she looks bomb and she's ready to beat you up. It's going to be perfect.
I'm just not a morning person, y'all, so I don't get up early enough to do my hair and makeup, even though everything Jessica picked for me was quite simple and quick to do, like quick hairdo, quick makeup look, just a bold lip, and the outfit is pretty comfy and quick to put on. But I'm going to try to do my hair anyways. On a quick tip, she asked me to do a Selena-esque hairstyle, which is half up curls. So I just tied it half up already and then just curling the half up portion already tied up, so it's not like I'm doing my whole head. And this goes quicker, so much easier. So just a little tip for you all. So I'm going to go finish the rest of my hair and then go get my makeup done and see you guys with the full look. So, as you can see, my hair and my makeup is done, and we just finished shooting this look. And I wanted to get David's quick opinion. What did you think of this look?
It's definitely a look that Jess would wear, so it's definitely Jess-inspired, like from head to the toe.
Yeah,
100%.
I definitely think this look is very much Jess. Would I say it's me? Would I wear it again? I don't say it's me. I think I would wear it again. just because it was fun to wear, it was comfortable, and it was very convenient for being on the go and getting things done. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you guys found it interesting and helpful, and comment below, let me know. It helps me out, it helps me keep going. If you want to see more content put out on this channel, go ahead and support your gal. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And that's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Until next time, bye. Mwah.